YouTube? Super Charlie here. Alright guys, tonight's the night. We're going to test out these drag radials for the first time ever. I'm super excited. Last time I went out to Verona and actually borrowed some drag radials, 325 Mickey Thompsons on the Demon setup. I ran a 7.5, so that was my last personal best. Stock, I was able to get a 7.7 on the stock tires, but now we got our own set. 18 by 11, 305 Mickey Thompsons. Obviously, I'm going to knock the pressure down to about 1820 PSI. So we'll see what we can do out there tonight. I'm going to launch the car hard. Hopefully, I want to break into the 7.2s. It's pushing a little deep, but we'll see what we can do out there. I also got a friend with a stock Hellcat. He's going to come. I'm going to coach him to see if he can get into the 7s tonight. So hopefully, he gets a 7.9, 7.8. I was able to get a 7.7 on stock tires, so I thought that was really good. So we'll see if I can get him there as well. So if you guys want to see some racing, see some good stuff, stay tuned, and we'll get right to it. Also, I have a secret ingredient for the gas tank, so hopefully this helps out for the high heat at the track. So definitely show you guys that in here in a second. Got a funnel? There you go. Would you look at that? I'm pretty sure I also have a funnel. What you putting in there? Oh yeah. We're gonna be breaking 7.7s today. Alright guys, so I got yelled at. Couldn't go faster than an 8.5 with a passenger, so I let Glenn out. I ran a 7.8 and let out 3/4 of the way through the track and I got yelled at. So we're gonna try to do one without a passenger to see what I can get. Guys, I don't know if you can read that, but I got a 1.760 foot new record, a 7.3 for the 8th mile, which is also a new record, and 98 miles an hour, which is also a new record. So drag radials are killing it right now. So personal best on my second attempt. I had to let out, like I said, in the first one just because I had a passenger. But we'll see what we can do. That's not too bad for the second pass. Take it. All right guys, so we ran a 7.3 again on that one. Not too bad. I try to get a little more RPM, so sticking at 7.3 right now. Gonna shoot for that 7.2, so stay with me. right, guys, so we have met our goal for the evening. As you can see, we have a 1760 foot with a 7287. Super stoked about that. Didn't think I was ever gonna run a 7.2. Now I want to break it to the sixes, you know. Here we go. But 7.2, awesome. We're gonna hit some more runs and then see what happens.